Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Let's Crack OPSC. Hope all of your preparation going well. Today morning also I checked the OPSC website and there is no update till now. Keep your fingers crossed as there is some scheduled meeting of OPSC and its members is there that we will get some updates regarding whether they will be rescheduling or not rescheduling. So we will be getting something. If anything comes in that particular part, then we will be updating you. And today we will be continuing a few more MCQs related to this master key set. So we will be doing this particular master key set, and the next MCQ regarding this is PM Modi recently inaugurated a Statue of Peace. Remember, Statue of Peace. It is related to which particular state? Is it A. Rajasthan? Is it B. Bihar? Is it C. Gujarat? Is it D. Maharashtra? Statue of Peace. The answer is A. Rajasthan. Statue of Peace related to Rajasthan. Remember it, very important one. Then coming to the next one, which state India's first solar energy driven miniature train was inaugurated? Remember, India's first solar energy driven miniature train. Is it A. Punjab? Is it B. Haryana? Is it C. Kerala? Is it D. Maharashtra? The answer is C. Kerala. Kerala is the state in which India's first solar energy driven miniature train was inaugurated. Remember it. Then coming to the next question, India's longest single lane motorable suspension bridge Dobra Chanti has been inaugurated in which state? Dobra Chanti, India's longest single lane motorable suspension bridge Dobra Chanti is located in which state? Is it A. Uttarakhand? Is it B. Assam? Is it C. Himachal Pradesh? Is it D. Sikkim? The answer is A. Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand is the state in which this particular India's longest single lane motorable suspension bridge is Dobra Chanti inaugurated. Then coming to the next question, name the first state in India to implement the Smart Blackboard scheme. Smart Blackboard scheme. Is it A. Maharashtra? Is it B. Tamil Nadu? Is it C. Odisha? Is it D. Gujarat? The answer is C. Odisha. Odisha is the state with Smart Blackboard scheme started. Then coming to the next question, India's first ever multimodal logistic park is being set up in which state? First multimodal logistic park. First. Then is it A. Maharashtra? Is it B. Karnataka? Is it C. Uttar Pradesh? Is it D. Assam? The answer is D. Assam. Assam is the state where first ever multimodal logistic park. First multimodal logistic park. Very important one. Then we will be coming to a few important MCQs related to history. Consider the statement. Statement number 1 says the first session of Indian National Congress was held in Calcutta. Is it correct? You have to judge. Then the second session of Indian National Congress was held under the presidency of Dadabhai Naoroji. Second statement. Second session under presidency of Dadabhai Naoroji. Remember it. Then statement number 3. Both Indian National Congress and Muslim League held their session in Lucknow. The statement number 3 is this. Then the answer of this particular MCQ given in MCQs, is it A 1 and 2, Is it B 2 and 3? Is it C 1 and 3? Is it D all of this? The answer is obviously it is B 2 and 3. You know the second session of Indian National Congress it is done under the presidency of Dadabhai Naoroji. The second statement is completely correct, and you know the truthness behind the third statement. The third statement says the Indian National Congress and Muslim League held their session in Lucknow in 1916, which is obviously correct. But the wrong statement is number 1. The first session of Indian National Congress it was held in Calcutta. No, it is wrong. Let me know in the comment box where the first session of Indian National Congress held. It is known as the financial capital of India. Let me know in this comment box. Then coming to the next question, which one of the following aroused a wave of popular indignation that led to the massacre by the British at Jallianwala Bagh? Means what led people to go and protest, and on protesting people, the Jallianwala Bagh General Dyer started firing. What is the particular incident which led people to protest? Is it A, the Arms Act? Is it B, the Public Safety Act? Is it C, the Vernacular Press Act? Or is it D, the Rowlatt Act? The answer is, you know, it is the D, the Rowlatt Act. Rowlatt Act was the act in which the whole of India was protesting, because there was some provision in this particular act that British could take into custody any particular person without any inquiry, without any particular thing. They can keep that particular individual for so long. So it was a very, very disturbing thing for the nationalists, and people started protesting against it. That was Rowlatt Act. Then coming to the last question of today's discussion, Article number 338. Article number 338 provides which one of the following? Is it A, National Commission for Scheduled Castes? Is it B, National Commission for Scheduled Tribes? Is it C, Special Officer for Linguistic Minorities? Is it D, none of this above? Try to understand. The National Commission for Scheduled Tribes or National Commission for Scheduled Castes or Special Officer for Linguistic Minorities. Article 338. Article 338, very, very important. It is National Commission for Scheduled Castes. Remember it. It was a very, very important one. Then with this we came to the end of this particular today's discussion. If any update comes regarding the OPSC prelim examination, we will let you know in this particular channel. And to remind our new YouTube subscribers that we have started a dedicated test series in which I am giving this particular master key set, and we will be giving this answer key too. If you really want, you can join our very high quality test series. We are providing 40 GS paper 1 tests, and it is of very high quality, I am telling you, because we have set a self target of reaching up to 65 to 75 question in prelim examination, either directly or indirectly related to our sets. So 4000 MCQs, very high quality MCQs you will be getting, and you will be assessing yourself whether you are up to the mark or not. So without delay, join our test series. Many of the YouTube subscribers have already joined in. Every day there is a increase in our test series students. Then try to join it early without delay. Stop procrastinating. I have made that in many of the videos. Many of the students do procrastinate. I will join later, and that day doesn't come ever in their life. So without procrastinating, join it. And as we are giving the answer key along with, you can also be doing the revision which will be very helpful for your prelim examination. So join today's our master key set. It will cost you only 599 rupees. I know the coaching institutes are charging a huge sum for this kind of a test, and to remind you that you have to take care of yourself and as well as your family members in this turbulent times. Thank you very much. Do not lower your seriousness.